Hello my friends, Gene from Regular Guy Mountain Biking. Recently I got the chance to try out a Sno-Go snow bike at Mountain Creek. In this video I take you from the beginning to end of an absolutely amazing day. I hope you enjoy the video. After parking my car, the first thing I did was I walked over to the entrance of Cobblestone Village. Since I purchased my lift ticket and rentals online, all I needed to do was talk to a Mountain Creek attendant, and he hooked me up with all the passes for the rest of the day. With passes at hand, it was time to head over to the main lodge.
Have a good time.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The main lodge is where you'll find the rental shop. The rental shop is packed with all kinds of great gear, but for today, all I needed was a pair of snowboard boots. Okay, the anticipation was killing me. I was only one step away from getting my SnoGo snow bike. All I had to do was walk over to the snow sports school and get all hooked up. Here's where all the SnoGo snow bikes live. So I was assigned a snow bike.
A safety leash is required by all resorts.
Watched a quick training video, and then I was the proud renter of a SnoGo snow bike.
Maryland!
Mountain Creek has a great bunny slope section where you can grab a lesson from one of the coaches if you'd like. I couldn't wait to jump on this thing, so I took a couple practice runs right away. I've got to tell you, the learning curve really isn't very steep on one of these bikes, so after a couple practice runs, my buddies and I were ready to head to the top of the mountain. But what I didn't realize is we had one more challenge left: the ski lift.
All right, here's our first time, right, Chad, right, Brian, Heather, first time getting on the lift. All right, Chad, we're going up. All right, I'm going. Go ahead, Chad. I got stuck. All right, I'm pulling it up, and she's the boss, he's the boss. Okay, here we are. Woo! All right, I'm on. Here I am on my lift. And this is Sugar. This is the hill we'll be going down. Shouldn't be that bad.
Honestly, after a couple tries, we all got the hang of it, and luckily the lift attendant up on top of Sugar was really a cool guy and took care of us, always slowing down the lift whenever we got to the top so we could get off. Really cool dude.
Nice.
Okay, we're at the top of Sugar, started to head down, and this is where the fun, honestly, just got better and better and better.
Yeah, Brian! Yeah! Woo! Celebratory fist bump. Wow, that's freaking awesome. Dude, we looked really cool. You darn snow biking hooligans! Wanna play tag?
So after taking a few more runs down Sugar, and even testing our skills on a little bit bigger hill, it was time for me to take a break and get something to eat. So I went over to the beer garden and grabbed myself some lunch. And then after lunch, I figured I'd go into the ski store and just take a look at what they had and maybe pick up something as a, little keepsake. After lunch, my buddy James showed up. This was really cool because it's been pretty tough for us to hang out lately, so I was basically super stoked that he was able to find some time to come over here and snowbike with me. After James took a couple warm-up runs, we jumped in the gondola and headed up to the top of the mountain. Once we got to the top of the mountain, we just checked out our gear, got back on our bikes, and of course the fun continued.
Manual man, whoa!
To add just a little bit more craziness to the day, we decided to take these SnoGo snow bikes down one of our mountain bike trails. This one's called Indy. And it was just so much fun and just completely different on a snow bike.
All right, dropping. Nice. Nice. That was good.
And sadly, it was time to cruise down the mountain for my last run.
Oh boy. It's like a kid in the candy store.
Okay, my friends, that's going to do it for me today at Mountain Creek. I cannot even begin to tell you how much fun I had on one of these SnoGo snow bikes. It was just freaking sick. I want to seriously thank Mountain Creek for allowing me to do this and hooking me up. It was absolutely amazing. It was so much fun. If you like to snowboard, if you like to mountain bike, if you like to ski, if you just like to have a lot of fun, you got to get over here to Mountain Creek and try out one of these SnoGo snow bikes. It was sick. It was so much fun. That's it. I don't even know what else to really say because I just had so much fun. Keep the party on the pedals, my friends. All right, Gene from Regular Guy Mountain Biking, and I'll catch you later. Bye-bye.